I've been driven since I was a kid for not necessarily success, I would say for accomplishment. When I set out to do something, I really want to succeed at it. For some reason, I just want to see whatever idea I have through and do it the best that I possibly can. Petter's gonna give us a tour with Oliver. Well, it's great having you here today, but it wasn't good enough. Can you come back tomorrow? Hey, that's the attitude I like. Well, thank you for being a fan. You know?
I'm trying to meet you.
Thank you. I race all these with my kids, and I try and help them find little secret stuff to be faster and be quicker through there, and I never let them beat me. I always find the most little tricks.
Yes! You were just about to keep doing that and doing that.
Yeah. Nice job not giving up.
I've been planning a racing livery for my Mustang for quite some time. Even though I was always inspired, I was hesitant about using the same concept. I didn't want my car to seem like it's trying to be something it's not, since my car is nothing like the original car. But today, we are putting that fear to the side, and we are taking my car to SD Design House, where we will begin planning a livery and a tribute for Ken Block.
I really like this look a lot. And then you want this bigger, right?
A little bit bigger.
Like, do you like it where I have it, like, because we could do it like down here too? I kind of liked it more up here though. I thought it just sat better.
Yeah, it sounds better on top.
Just like this. I really like this look for the doors.
Oh yeah.
Good. See ya.
Good to see you, man. Well, the car's looking pretty good. It's all inside in black, and I'm already excited. Yeah, so right now we're working on the office, trying to get some stuff together. How we're gonna put the decals, the stickers, the lighting, which the lighting is gonna be the hardest part. So we're just working, bouncing off ideas. see what's gonna be better for the car, what's gonna look the best, since the car doesn't have the same curves and lines as Ken Block's Mustang. So we just gotta work a little extra, but it's gonna look pretty good. So this Saturday at San Diego Cars and Coffee, we will be unveiling the wrap to the community, and I just can't wait to see everybody's faces and expressions because this means a lot to us, and we just want to pay our respect for Ken Block. It's time to pick it up. I'm actually nervous. I don't know why. So don't we go? Yeah, let's see.
Let's walk out there.
Let's go see it. Damn. Look at these little details. This is great work. This is beautiful. This is on point.
Thanks, dude.
No, you guys killed it, bro.
Even the way the Forza logo goes right here in the hood, because it normally goes in the fender, right?
The fender is like so flared.
Yeah.
Like I didn't want to put it here because I didn't want to have like three things with an empty space here.
This is the perfect spot.
Oh, this is perfect, man. This is exquisite. Great.
I'm glad you're happy. It was a lot of, as you know. I mean, we had it 2 weeks.
Face, right?
We had it 2 weeks, so it was a lot of work.
It is beautiful. Well, you got the 43 on top. Alright, so finally we got the final product. We're really happy how it came out. It is way better than I expected. Look at this thing. It just looks amazing. It's beautiful. I have no words to express how happy I am. It is just too nice. We are standing in front of my Mustang GT, and today we transformed it completely in a very positive way. A lot of people didn't get to experience the privilege of seeing the Hoonicorn in person, and now people will get to experience a fraction of what the Hoonicorn represented. People every day will see this car during rush hour. They will pull out their phones and Google Hoonigan, and if they didn't know Ken Block, now they will be part of his legacy. He changed motorsports completely. Every video, every stunt, every gymkhana, he took it to the next level. He was raising the bar so high, and for that, we will always thank you, Ken Block.
Let me get in here, bro. Let me talk to them a little bit. I haven't said anything the whole video. I think the only thing left to say is that it's important to mention that this video is not about Ken Block. This video was made for Ken Block. My brother did his part in spending multiple hours researching, working with Nick. He made it happen. So I felt like I had to make my part in editing a proper tribute to Ken Block. The Gymkhana videos that were so big in the community that all sorts of people got together and watched those videos, whether it was at work, at school. And I have memories that when I was in my auto shop class, the teacher used to play the Gymkhana videos before going out to the shop and working because it would motivate us to go out there and get our hands dirty. And I remember after work, me and my brother, we used to get together, we'll drink and we'll watch a few Gymkhana videos, or we'll have it in the background while we talk about cars. It's just part of the culture, and the Gymkhana series is just such an amazing creation that I believe that it's never going to go away. So this has been our tribute, projecting his legacy.